Week 12, Module 9, Emerging Technology. Go ahead and open the start file, and you'll probably need the PDF file to see what the comments are and where they're located. So this assignment is working with comments and track changes. So the first thing we'll do is select the title and choose New Comment. And this one will be Apply Word Art. The next one, select the title. Now, if you don't have New Comment in the mini toolbar, click Review and choose New Comment. And this will be Apply Heading 1 Style. And I'm going to select this and copy it because I'm going to use it for other side headings. For example, this one right here, New Comment, and paste. And I'll do the rest of the comments, for the side headings. So go ahead and select this one. New comment, paste, technology provides, new comment, paste, and one more, modern, life in the modern world, new comment, and paste. The next, select the 5 lines, and the comment will be to apply bullets or numbering. And this one I'm also going to copy, and because I'll use this one again. And I'm going to select the 4 lines under Technology, New Comment, and paste. And then a comment will be to remove the hyperlink. And then 2 words, double-click invention, and the new comment is change word to discovery. And then in the list up here, accessible, new comment, change word to manageable. So there should be a total of 11 comments. So save this document as Emerging Technology Comments. Save this as comments. You'll be submitting that one. And then the next one is to show all markup. So the first thing you need to do is click Review and then select Track Changes. So it should have a gray box around it. So the first thing we'll do is select the title, and we know that we want to add it to word art. So we'll change it and select any word art. And do you want to continue? Okay. And I'm just going to select the text and just make it a little bit smaller so it fits all on one line. And there you show the markup. So the next one, if you want, you can click Resolve because you completed it. And then the next is Technology and the universal. So select the styles, heading 1. And for some reason it's indenting it, so I'm going to right click on heading 1 and click Modify. And in the style based on, you can see in the preview that it's indented, so when we select no style, it'll put it back to the left margin, and that'll take care of the rest of the heading 1 styles for us. And then again with the balloon, you can comment, you can choose Resolve. I'll go to the next one, heading 1, and then again Resolve. And while I'm going down, I'll go ahead and select the 5 lines and select bullets, and then Resolve. Next to another heading, heading 1, and Resolve. The hyperlink, we can do that now. Select and right-click and choose Remove Hyperlink, and then you can resolve. Notice you're getting 2 versions of it. One is crossed off, meaning it's getting rid of the blue text with the underline and giving it in the plain text. So Technology Provides should be another heading 1, and we'll go to Resolve. And then again, if you want to do the 4 lines in bullet or numbering, and Resolve. And then one more heading, Style 1, and Resolve. And then we're ready for invention. Double click and type Discovery. Notice there is the strike through invention, and the new word will be discovery. and then it's showing your formatting. So go ahead and select Resolve, and there should be one more with accessible. Double click it, and you're going to change it to manageable. And Resolve. I think I clicked the wrong one. I think I have them all. So then, so you can save this one as emerging technology, all markup, showing all the markup. So it shows you all the changes. It was just plain text, now it's word art. This one is just showing that it's inside heading. The formatting has changed. This has been changed to bullets. And your hyperlink has been taken away, and then a couple of word changes. So go ahead and save that. That's your second one. Your third version is to show it with all of your changes all made. So go ahead back to review and then choose all markup and choose no markup. So it shows it complete with the word art, the side headings, the bulleted list. The word accessible is now manageable. Invention is now discovery, no more hyperlink, and this is the third one that you will save. Thank you.